cold showers in the middle of winter? Yeah, that's not happening anymore. Here's what actually works. Listen, I've tested more tankless water heaters than I can count, and most of them are, well, let's just say they promise a lot but deliver lukewarm disappointment. But here's the thing, after putting 6 of the most talked about models through real-world conditions, I know exactly which ones are worth your money and which ones you should avoid. Let me explain what separates the good from the just okay. 6th, the Ranein Tankless Electric Water Heater. Right off the bat, the Ranein caught my attention with its wall-mounted design and that sleek digital temperature display. I mean, it looks modern, saves about 90% more space than those bulky traditional tanks, and the installation process seemed straightforward enough. On paper, this thing should be perfect for smaller homes or apartments where space is at a premium. Here's what matters, though. During testing, I noticed the unit does heat water pretty quickly, and the touch control feature is convenient. The automatic power adjustment based on water temperature is a nice touch, and I appreciate that it has multiple safety features built in. The separate plumbing and electrical systems are designed to prevent leaks and scale buildup, which theoretically should extend its lifespan. But here's where things get interesting. The performance was inconsistent, you know? Some days it worked beautifully, other days the water temperature fluctuated more than I'd like. And while it claims to provide instant hot water, there were moments when I had to wait longer than expected. The flow rate wasn't quite what I needed for simultaneous use, especially if someone was washing dishes while another person wanted to shower. Well, the electrical requirements are also something to consider. You need a 240-volt, 60-amp circuit breaker for proper installation, which means you might need electrical upgrades if your home isn't already set up for it. That's additional cost and hassle right there. Number 5, Rinnai RX199IN Condensing Smart Sense Tankless Water Heater. Now we're talking about a serious piece of equipment. The Rinnai comes with 199,000 BTUs of heating capacity and a maximum flow rate of 11.1 gallons per minute. This thing is designed for larger homes with 5 or more bathrooms, and that turbofan technology allows for longer vent runs and flexible installation options. The energy efficiency is impressive, I'll give it that. With a uniform energy factor of 0.93 and Energy Star certification, you're looking at real savings on your utility bills over time. The condensing technology and those dual stainless steel heat exchangers work together to maximize heat transfer and efficiency. Plus, the built-in freeze protection down to -22 degrees Fahrenheit is genuinely useful if you live in colder climates. But here's the reality check. The price tag on this unit is, steep. We're talking premium territory here, and while you get premium features, not everyone needs that level of performance. For a smaller household, you're basically overpaying for capacity you'll never fully utilize. And the installation? It's complex enough that you absolutely need a professional, which adds to the already substantial cost. During my testing period, I also noticed that while the SmartSense technology is nice, it takes a bit of getting used to. The learning curve isn't terrible, but it's there. The minimum flow rate of 0.13 GPM is great for low-demand situations like shaving, which shows attention to detail. 4. Rheem High-Efficiency Non-Condensing Tankless Natural Gas Water Heater. The Rheem brings solid performance to the table with its 160,000 BTU capacity. What I really appreciated during testing was the low flow activation feature. With a minimum flow rate of 0.26 GPM and activation at 0.40 GPM, this heater responds even when you need just a small amount of hot water. That's practical for everyday use. The outdoor installation design means no venting headaches, which simplifies setup considerably. The ultra-low NOx emission certification makes it environmentally friendly, and if you're in California or other areas with strict air quality regulations, that matters. The EcoNet compatibility is a bonus too, letting you control and monitor the unit through your smartphone. Performance-wise, this Rheem delivered consistent hot water throughout my testing. The flow rate of 6.5 GPM at a 40-degree temperature rise handles about 2 bathrooms comfortably, maybe 3 if you stagger usage. The water savings setting is legitimately useful, potentially saving over 1,100 gallons annually by reducing flow until the set temperature is reached. The build quality feels durable, and Rheem's reputation for reliability is well earned. The temperature adjustability and self-modulating power control work smoothly together to maintain steady output. Installation was straightforward for an outdoor unit, though you still want a qualified technician handling the gas connections and setup to ensure everything meets code. At this price point and performance level, the Rheem RTG70XLN represents good value for medium-sized households looking for dependable, efficient hot water without breaking the bank. 3. ThermoMate Tankless Electric Water Heater. Here's where things start getting really good. The ThermoMate impressed me right out of the box with its self-modulating power control and that slick digital temperature display. The efficiency rating of 99.8% is among the highest I've tested, and that translates directly into lower energy bills. What sets this unit apart is the instant heating performance. I'm talking hot water in literally 3 seconds. No waiting around, no wasting water down the drain while you wait for it to warm up. The flow rate varies by model, with options ranging from 1.94 GPM up to 6.38 GPM, so you can choose the right size for your specific needs. The installation flexibility is another win. Whether you need point-of-use heating under a sink or whole house coverage, ThermoMate has configurations that work. The wall-mounted compact design saved valuable space in my utility area, and the setup process was more DIY-friendly than some competitors, though I'd still recommend professional installation for electrical safety. Temperature control is precise, adjustable in 1-degree increments from 80 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. During testing, the water temperature remained stable even when I varied the flow rate, which is exactly what you want. The heating elements are separated from the water tubes, reducing scale buildup and corrosion, which means less maintenance and longer lifespan. Safety features include overheating protection and automatic shutoff when no water is detected. The ETL certification gives peace of mind about quality and safety standards. Number 2. FOGATTI Natural Gas Tankless Water Heater. FOGATTI seriously brought their A-game with this one. The on-demand water heating technology automatically activates when water flows through the unit and shuts off when flow stops. That level of automation just works seamlessly in daily use. What really stood out during my testing was the build quality and performance consistency. The staged combustion technology provides precise flame control, preventing overheating while conserving fuel. With models offering up to 170,000 BTUs and flow rates reaching 2.9 GPM, FOGATTI handles multiple fixtures running simultaneously without breaking a sweat. The digital display controller makes operation intuitive, and temperature control ranging from 95 to 123 degrees Fahrenheit covers all normal household needs. The winter freeze protection feature is particularly valuable if you're installing this in an area that experiences cold weather, protecting your investment from freeze damage. Installation versatility is impressive. The compact design allows placement virtually anywhere in residential or commercial environments. No need for special piping or gas lines in most cases, which keeps installation costs reasonable. The forced exhaust fan ensures stable combustion, maintaining efficiency across varying conditions. Safety certifications, including CSA and ETL, demonstrate compliance with rigorous standards. The 24-month hassle-free warranty backs up the quality claims, and FOGATTI's customer service reputation is solid. During extended testing, this unit maintained consistent performance day after day, which is exactly the reliability you need from a water heater. For the price-to-performance ratio, FOGATTI delivers exceptional value that's hard to beat. Camplux Tankless Water Heater. And here we are, number 1. The Camplux absolutely earned this top spot. This is the tankless water heater that does everything right. First off, the portability and versatility are unmatched. Whether you're installing it permanently at home or taking it camping and off-grid, Camplux handles it all. The compact, lightweight design with a folding handle makes transport and storage incredibly easy. But don't mistake that portability for lack of power. The performance is where Camplux really shines, working efficiently even with low water pressure as low as 3.0 psi. This heater operates in situations where other units simply can't function. The flow rate of 1.32 GPM might sound modest compared to larger units, but here's the truth. For most practical applications, it's perfect. You get plenty of water flow without waste, and if you're using it off-grid with limited water supply, this flow rate actually makes sense. Temperature control ranges from 46.4 to 114.8 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you full flexibility for different seasons and uses. The D-cell battery ignition system means you don't need external electrical power, which is brilliant for remote installations or emergency backup situations. Just connect to a propane cylinder and you're good to go. Installation is straightforward enough that most people can handle it themselves. You can wall mount it or suspend it, and the flame protection design ensures safe operation in various configurations. The CSA approval for US and Canadian markets confirms it meets strict safety standards. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.